Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Tour Pro 2. In this video I'll show you how to manage controls. In the beginning, take a look at the left and right earbud. Right here we've got the touch panels. Tap once on the left earbud to switch noise cancelling mode between ANC and ambient aware. Tap twice to enable talk-through. Also tap twice to answer and end calls. Tap and hold to enable disable microphone and to enable voice assistant. On the right earbud, tap once to play pause, twice to skip to the next song and 3 times to skip to previous song. Also tap twice to mute to answer and end calls. Tap and hold to mute and unmute microphone and to activate voice assistant. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.